Hey everyone, we're on deck 12. This is cabin 744. This is an ocean view balcony with large balcony, or an ocean view large balcony. So we're going to go right there and show you the large balcony. As you can see, it's about double the size of a normal balcony. You have your two chairs and your little table, but as you see, there's plenty of space out there. For me, I could sit in that chair and kick my feet all the way out. Normally, I got to put it up here on the rail. Great views out the side of the ship. It's awesome. Right? Ocean view is large balcony. Love it. We're an ocean view large balcony. Coming back in, we have our sofa right there. Speaking of large, it's a pretty large sofa. Right? Nice, which in a lot of cabins can convert to be a bed. Across from this, you have your desk area. Your mini fridge is down in that cabinet right there. We have plenty of power, US, USB, and European. Nice lighted mirror. And over here, that table does move around. Nice big TV across from the bed, and you have some USB hidden down there as well. Speaking of the bed, there it is. It's in its king configuration right now, but it can become two twins if you want. On this side is USB power, excuse me. On that side by Lisa is US and USB. So there you go. Behind Lisa is your closet space. This side is all hanging, shorter hanging with some bins underneath. This side is all longer hanging. And then on the end here is where your safe is hidden with some more hidden little shelves. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom, at first look, people might think it's small, but I can tell you it is just not, because the shower is so big. All right, it's so big, it's actually got a bench in there. Adjustable shower head. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height at 6'4", to include plenty of width for someone fluffy as well. I got some shelves back there to the back side of the toilet. Nice sink, lighted mirror. You have some shelves over here with US power as well. There's also some storage and shelves underneath the sink. So there you go. There is your ocean view large balcony cabin. Let us know if you prefer the large balcony or the regular balcony, if it's worth the upcharge. I don't know. Let us know in the comments. We'll see you. Ciao.